We spray painted the door.
I like that. That's all you guys, right?
Yep. Absolutely. Yeah, because I'm the only one that does this haircut on you. It's.
Oh yeah.
I'm thinking it'll happen, tonight. I'll see the hours that have. But if it does not, it'll be before April, or before May 4th.
That'll be wicked, man.
Just because the only next video that drops off is the 29th.
Right.
I think I'll have the hours before that.
You'll see a change on the channel quick.
Oh, absolutely. That's what I've been seeing on online when I look up YouTube and everything and monetization. They all say, oh yeah, as soon as you get monetized, they start kicking it out to more people. They want those commercials out there.
Mm-hmm.
And you get to get paid. And you also get to turn on all your old videos and get paid for those.
All the ones that got...
All the ones that I've already uploaded and everything, and
Yeah.
that they're either time fell off or whatever, you can go turn them on.
That's
Once you're monetized, and then those, if they get rewatched like they do all the time,
those wide up.
yeah, you can start getting paid for that.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, that's where it's like, oh shit, you as well bring it to another level. Because it's like you're cutting hair anyway, you may as well film it.
Well, 5-star haircuts, man. Yeah, you got you got the life experience to talk about it. You know what I mean? Like just that conversation we had about the UFC.
Yeah.
Can't have that at Supercuts. Or just whatever. You can talk about all kinds of shit. It's almost like commentary, and then you combine it with a dope cut,
Alright, that's sick. Yeah, because it would be kind of weird if I didn't talk or say anything at all, or then it's.
Or if you were just boring,
Oh yeah.
'Cause a lot of people can talk, but they're saying nothing. And like when I click on the videos too, it's cool. You conversate with like everyone.
Oh, you've seen the videos?
Oh yeah.
Sick. That's sick. Oh yeah, then you're a part of why it's.
They pop up.
Hello, what are you doing?
How are you?
Doing good.
Alright.
You want to stop by after you're done?
Maybe, bro. I gotta hit my mama, so
Got some shit to do.
yeah, man. And I know
Oh, yeah,
you'll
sure,
get me.
yeah.
You'll
Oh,
get
what's
me.
up,
I
Albert?
can't spend no money,
One-sided
bro.
watch.
I got you, bro. I just wanted to show you what we had.
Oh, dude.
Yeah,
I wanted to see what you
Yeah, I'm
had.
good. Yeah.
How's your mom?
Man,
She's
we're
doing good.
we're
And how are
expensive
you?
as
Is more
You
important.
guys are expensive as fuck.
Damn, I didn't
You
even
do
see
me a
if it
huge
was you
favor.
that walked
What's
in
that?
the
How
door.
could you toss?
Oh yeah,
You got me?
money, bro.
And so what?
Appreciate you, bro.
What are you going back over to your house or?
I'm going back to mom and dad's right now.
Alright.
To be
Really, are
with
you
the
gonna be
family
taking
and all
care of
that.
him? That's
Right up the street.
his uncle.
So,
Oh, it's your
that's
uncle.
where
Oh.
I'm going. You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. If you need
I'm chill.
anything at all from me, I want you to let me know.
I will.
That
Thank
way,
you.
yeah, and let me know. That way,
Where'd you go?
I'm in the circle and I can do something, whatever you need me to do.
Alright.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, I appreciate. Yeah, Albert. Oh, yeah, and everything is okay. I'm sad that happened and everything too.
Yeah.
It sucks. It's shitty, but it's
Wait.
because what's up with Grandpa? What is he doing?
He's strong. 79 years they've been
Yeah.
together. So
and who's over there now? Everybody.
I don't know. I'm headed there now.
Shoot me a text if you ever don't mind. Just
Of course not.
Yeah, because I want to make sure you're good too.
Yeah, I'm good. And I'll let everybody know that your thoughts and prayers are with them over there.
All right, and I wish I wasn't on the haircut, but you want to go right away.
I'm sorry.
Okay, that's okay. Well, so if you get the chance, come back. But I don't think you will. But
Okay.
but you can if you want
Do
to.
you need me to come back?
I'd like you to. I mean,
Yeah.
If you get the chance, if
Alright.
it calls for it.
Yeah, if I can, I will.
Okay, I appreciate that. All right, Albert.
Love
Oh,
you.
yeah, I love you too.
Sorry
baby.
for interrupting your
No, that's you didn't interrupt it. It's okay. This is my uncle and everything. My grandmother
Nice to meet
passed
you.
away, so
Oh,
it's
I'm
like,
sorry to hear
yeah,
that.
dude, that's the
Sorry,
best.
you're bad.
All right, I love you, Albert.
Be safe, man.
All right.
You're gonna lose
sorry to hear
this
that,
weed
TJ.
business.
Yeah, this barely happened last night. It's like, shit, dude.
No, I'm gonna lose this.
And that's his mom. That's where it's like good.
Oh wait. And now.
I'm really sorry to hear that, TJ.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
You've
sucks.
been focusing on that
Jesus,
from a long time ago.
yeah, I'm starting to
You were
get
so
shit.
focused.
So now we gotta really start to do things right and good and
And then
fucking
you have
Just keep yourself distracted.
hook these people up. Cause damn, I'm gonna be gone Monday too. It's like shit.
Right.
I
Or you
ain't
could
trying
win.
to
We all get to make it one
hook
day,
these
bro.
fools win.
No, I win because I have this one piece on the board. Unless I take it in 13 minutes. You don't have to take it in 13 minutes.
Yeah, because on this morning I don't have
Chill out.
Facebook, so like my mom had said, hey, you might want to check something out. It's Brandon posted on Facebook that grandma passed away and everything, and so it was like, oh shit. Well, I had known because they had recently told me that grandma and grandpa are in hospice or whatever, or hospice is at their house, right up the street,
Right.
Wait.
and so. I have to be at work, so I'm here. I had a whole list of people to,
Damn, TJ.
and not in a bad way. It's okay. Because
No.
I'd rather just they want me to do this.
I'm
This is what I
sure
do.
All of your clients would have understood, though. I
Yeah,
don't think
but I
any of them-
wouldn't. It's like, well, yeah, they would have for sure. You're right. Thank you, brother. I appreciate it.
Of
Hell yeah.
course.
Yeah, they would have for sure. But I figured this to kind of keep your
Mind
keep your mind right.
distracted.
But there's
Right.
no way I could be more sad than Albert. That's where I just really have more respect for Albert. Just
That's
because I'm
mom.
saying it's his mom.
Yeah.
If it was my mom, I wouldn't even stop by. Here comes the Muslim that worked here before. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Everyone's needs a job for some reason now. Jesus.
That's a draw. It's not even technically.
Yeah, but we're gonna, that's why I asked you that question earlier that I asked
I
you.
just put
I'm
two
just
and
being
two
honest
together.
about that. That's why earlier I was like,
two
oh
and
shit.
two together.
It was like,
Yep.
fucking, that would be a good little mind relieving
Definitely
fucking.
got you.
I'm glad that so my family doesn't like me. And they like me, but I'm saying I was in prison. So I'm
Right.
saying they I'm a bad person kind of to them a little bit, I guess. Not really, but maybe I was a bad kid.
Are they
But
like
now,
the parents are like, he's not our same.
they're
TJ
super
anymore."
Christian, dude.
Yeah.
No. So when you did your crimes and you went to prison or whatever, they weren't on board with that.
Yeah.
Because my aunt and uncle are pastors. His brother and sister, KK and Stacy, they're both pastors.
Oh wow.
Shout out KK and Stacy McDermott, Believer Center or whatever.
Yeah.
And so they all know they're big in the church thing. So I was the one who went to prison.
Okay.
So I'm just saying, but since I've done the right thing for so long, Albert's been coming back around.
Yeah.
Saying, hey, TJ's, we've had lunch.
Yeah, you're on the straight and narrow right now.
Exactly.
Yeah. You're chilling.
I love how Pat was going to get his hair too. I really thought it was the next client, Tom, that comes in that's Pat's cutting. And I was like, oh, shit.
Oh.
I didn't even look. I just, you know what, dude? When someone comes in, sometimes I'll just turn away and let Pat do his thing since he's, it's like you don't need to get all up in his business. It's like,
He's got it
fucking-
handled.
Yeah, and it's, so it's just, I didn't look at Albert. I didn't see that it was him. But I was like, fuck, dude. Yeah, I don't want him to be sad. We'll take care of him. We'll help him out.
Good he came and saw you.
Well, my dad died, and that's my dad's brother. So it's like,
shit.
they're more important to me than, it's like fucking, let's see.
How long ago did your dad die? TJ?
My dad passed away for the Floyd Mayweather fight. His
Pacquiao?
last fight, yeah. Yup, and
Pacquiao
someone
fight?
called, yeah, absolutely.
Wow.
Yeah, that's, so I was just
Like
going over to
2010?
watch the fight. Yeah, I was just going to watch that was 20,
11 maybe?
that was 2012.
Was it 2012?
Yeah, and so, yeah, it was 2012 or 20, yeah. And so like, and the person called me and it's like, don't ever give me that kind of fucking news. when I'm somewhere in the, you know what I mean? It was
During
fucking,
the
that
Floyd
was,
and Pacquiao.
yeah, I didn't like, well, no, and I don't care about the fight.
Or
That
just
means
you,
shit to
you
me.
were in a social setting and you were
I didn't
around
want, you
people.
don't wait till I get somewhere and then
Yeah.
say something. Don't tell me when I'm, you know, here with people I don't
people.
really, you know, care about.
You're at a
everything. It's
function.
fucking-
You're not trying to hear that news fucking.
Yeah, that's where it was like, fuck, dude.
Yeah, no, that's.
So that was the first kind of, you know, that's where I kind of had the spiral, dude. Of, you know, that was a weird time for sure. Yeah, that Muslim dude worked here before, the one that's outside.
Which
The one that's right out in the car right there.
This white Nissan?
Yeah, watch, I can even zoom in so all these guys can.
What
So he's, that's
what are you
what,
doing?
probably wanting to come here and have a job.
That to cut hair or?
Yeah. I would assume. Just as I would never imagine that he's here to. I just don't think, like, he's not here for a haircut, but he's here to. It's like fucking. Hey guys, all you out there, say a prayer for my grandmother and everything. Fucking Grandma Baca, and you know, she's in heaven now and everything's good with her, and she's better there than here. And you know, Grandpa's not there yet, but he's, you know, gonna be there as well.
They're still holding hands.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, that's cool, dude. Oh yeah, that's sick actually. Now that I thought about it,
That's how it goes.
because that's hard for like on him too. It's like, damn, but I'm glad that it's just. We'll see. Whatever they need, the system. If anyone on the Baca side sees this for some odd reason, you're a Baca, you're related to me, give me a call, hit me up, message me, anything you need. And I do care about my family and everything. Text me. I'm ready to call my mom and make sure that, you know, she's quite fine too, just because I don't want her having a bad experience.
Mm-hmm.
She's the type I would tell her, I don't give a fuck. You can come right over here. I'll buy you lunch. I'll do whatever you want. It's like fucking, and you know, in case she was at home or something, because, you know, you're not feeling good, or it's like, oh shit. And you know what? I didn't find out until this morning, and it was, you know, this morning at about 5:30 in the morning. So that's when it was like.
Like when you woke up for work.
Yeah, I got up at 4. And I get up. I start waking up around 3:45, and then I get up at 4, and then you know, I make it here by. I would say I'm here by. I you know, so at 4 o'clock, I'll finally look. I get up at 3:45. I'm looking a tiny bit. I might turn the tube on. I might adjust my position in the bed, sitting up.
Yeah, you
And
start
then
the
I'll go
process.
get a glass of coffee, come back to the bed, hang out with Chip and my dog, and then what I'll do is, you know, then I'll get up, take a shower, get ready, and then, you know, eat the same breakfast every day, eggs and oatmeal. And
Is
then,
that the secret, TJ?
nah, there is no secret to it. I have no clue. It's probably bad for you. I'm just telling you the truth. I don't want you to get caught up in a
It's
situation.
probably bad.
Yeah,
for
I'm
you.
just saying. It's easy for me, and that's the only reason I do it.
Feeling.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I was still eating them ramen noodles, and fucking someone that was in prison had told me, he's all, oh, I don't eat those at all. I won't fuck with those. He's like, those are fucking. I can't believe
Bad
you're even
memory.
eating them. So then I stopped eating them and everything. Too much sodium.
Yeah, a lot of it.
Let's see, watch that.
Oh yeah. Jesus Christ, TJ. That fade is dumb. Every time. Every time. Thank you, bro.
Oh, yeah,
I love
sick.
it.